Welcome to the world of exceptional hardwood flooring services provided by Pradera Colorado Hardwood Flooring. We take pride in delivering top-notch craftsmanship and expertise to transform your space into something extraordinary. Whether you're looking for traditional or exotic hardwood floors, our staff of highly skilled professionals is here to cater to your every need. We specialize in the installation, repair, and refinishing of hardwood floors, restoring their natural beauty and ensuring they stand the test of time. And it's not just floors. We also offer expertise in hardwood stair installation, repair, and refinishing, creating a seamless flow throughout your entire home. But what truly sets us apart is our revolutionary technique of dustless sanding. No more hassle or mess, just impeccable results and a cleaner environment for you home. We understand that some areas may require some extra care because of certain conditions from your atmosphere. That's why we offer premium laminate flooring and luxury vinyl plank flooring that cater to high moisture and high traffic areas, such as bathrooms or kitchens. Rest assured, even in the busiest spaces, our flooring options will surpass your expectations. We believe in providing personalized solutions to each of our clients. Our experienced team will guide you through every step of the way, ensuring your vision becomes a beautiful reality. At Pradera Colorado Hardwood Flooring, our mission is to make your space more than exceptional. Trust us to be your go-to destination for all your hardwood flooring needs. Choose Pradera Colorado Hardwood Flooring for exceptional hardwood flooring services. Contact us today and let us bring your vision to life. Don't forget to ask about our dustless sanding option to help keep your home cleaner and healthier.